Hey.
Yes, I am ready. Absolutely. Born ready. So let me just get my screen shared and I will get rolling here. All
Looks
right.
good.
Okay, fantastic. Well, thank you all for joining. My name is Liz Heisel. I'm a senior account executive here at Yooz under our Microsoft division. And I'm going to walk you through just really quickly how you can simplify and scale your AP automation process with the Yooz solution. So a little bit about Yooz. We were born in the cloud in 2010, and we are aimed directly at providing a powerful SaaS-based AP automation solution that is practical and both affordable to companies of any size. Yooz is a spinoff of a traditional on-premise software provider that's been recognized for over 30 years as a leader in AP automation. So when Yooz was formed in 2010, we were actually able to leverage that 30 years of know-how and seriously powerful OCR engine and brought that AP automation to the cloud. So currently we have over 300 employees growing each month across the US and Europe. Our North American headquarters are located in Dallas, Texas, where I am located. We have over 5,000 clients using, hundreds of millions of documents every single year. And we are passionately committed to innovation, so much that we invest 25% of our revenue back into our research and development because we feel that our customers truly deserve the best that technology has to offer. So we're always looking forward at that product roadmap. How can we how can we improve the product, staying in the top of our game, and then bringing that to our solution and actually providing those new products on our roadmap from the voice of the customer directly. And a large part of it includes having a secure, reliable, yet easy to use AP automation solution. So here are some of our Microsoft Dynamics customers. We have hundreds currently, and we do serve a variety of organizations. No matter what size you are, no matter what vertical you are, Yooz will be built to mirror your Dynamics finance environment. And so just looking at the workflow here inside of Yooz. So Yooz is a full P2P solution. So we can start with the purchase inside of Yooz, or we can bring in those purchase orders from Microsoft Dynamics. So either one there. And we can start automating the capture of your invoices from multiple different places. If that's from your AP inbox, if you are scanning some of those in, dragging in files, maybe taking a photo of invoices from our mobile app. We can also set up EDI to have direct invoices come in and produce from that raw data. As soon as your invoice files hit Yooz, which Yooz can accept about 17 different invoice file types. You're not limited there. It will start going through our AI-based smart data extraction. So a big differentiator there in some of the terms of AI and OCR that can be used pretty loosely in the market. There's no setup required, no templating, no outsourcing whatsoever. So that invoice will be ready to either go through our touchless process, meaning that Yooz has matched your invoice to your purchase order. We have a perfect match, or it's within a gap tolerance, or it's ready to review in less than 30 seconds per invoice. So Yooz will capture all of your header field information. If it is a non-purchased order based invoice, we have GL memorization that will populate all of your GL account and dimensional codes and memorizing them at the line level there. We do have an amazing, robust approval workflow engine. So we can route our invoices from the review step through the approval step based on any criteria from the invoice itself, or even system criteria. We can have approval processes that are consecutive, like approval based one, two, and three, or we can have concurrent approvals or parallel. Maybe there's an invoice that is hitting three different departments. those three departments need to make the approval within the same step before they can move forward. So line-based approvals. So, extremely robust. All of your communication can now be housed inside of Yooz with a full audit trail there. We can send notifications out by email with a link to the direct document that is needing your attention, or also through push notification via our mobile app. Yooz also has an automated payment module called Yooz Pay. So we can automate that process for you, and from having to cut checks or upload an ACH batch to your bank. That can all be done in one single click to release that payment batch that will deliver to your vendors in their preferred payment method of ACH, mailed check, or virtual card. With our virtual card program, we do have a cashback opportunity there with some amazing ROI statistics that we can give you that would give you not just savings on your intangibles like time savings, but also bottom line ROI there. And that's where we can bring that value into your organization, giving you the ROI of 80% and greater with AP automation. When it comes to our integration with Dynamics Finance, it is a native API integration that we do have. So what we do is we connect to one of your users, and then we can automatically sync all of your master data. So this can be every 15 minutes if you want, hourly, daily. You are able to set up that frequency there of your different chart of accounts, your vendors, your payment terms, all of your dimensions, customers, your tax codes, and then your purchase orders. So those can sync into the back end of Yooz every 15 minutes. If you needed to trigger that sync outside of that schedule, you can easily do so with just a manual push of a button. So like I mentioned, Yooz will be a full mirror of your Dynamics Finance environment. So whenever those invoices come in and they have gone through the process, they've been coded, they've been PO matched, they've been approved. As soon as an invoice reaches the approved status, that information is going to sync automatically and instantly right back into Dynamics Finance. So you would be able to open up that AP entry and see that bill that was created. So we'll hit all of your appropriate header fields, even user-defined fields, custom fields, custom user-defined dimensions. And to populate that bill, we will also bring in a PDF of the invoice image from Yooz. Along with that PDF, we can have supporting documentation that were attachments to the invoice from Yooz, any of the comments from Yooz, and the full audit trail from Yooz. So now all of that will be stored inside of your Dynamics environment, as well as cloud hosted inside of Yooz. Inside of that same entry, we will also populate the URL that will take you back to that record into Yooz. If you are utilizing payments in Yooz, we will send in the payment reference information that will mark that same AP bill as paid with all of the correct, payment date, payment type, amount, etc., to mark the bill as paid. We do have the ability to send reference or feedback payment reference information. If you are making your payments from Dynamics Finance, we can send that information back into Yooz, so everything will be a one-to-one match, and that will complete the process there from finance into Yooz. So just to touch on some of the main, differentiators out there, there's a lot of different AP automation solutions. So just to highlight those really quickly and what you'll get with Yooz. First is scalability. So we can easily scale your business with any type of ERP migration and also the product offering with Yooz. It's a fully tailored solution. With the purchasing module that's optional, the payment module that is completely optional, and other modules such as our budget module. With smart data extraction, it is 100% AI based, meaning that Yooz is reading every single word on that on that document and using the same kind of logic that we do as humans to find that invoice date and populate the corresponding data next to it. That means that there's no upfront setup, there's no templating. You don't have to teach the system how to read each one of your vendor's invoices. So that's a huge time saver and one of our biggest differentiators. And that plays a big role into our automated PO matching and our real-time GL memorization. Again, our workflows are completely customizable with the ability to create touchless processing of your invoices. We do offer an attachment feature that allows you to drag and drop supporting documentation in any file format, and that is unlimited. You don't have to pay per document. We have our automated payments module, Yooz Pay, that can bring cashback opportunities and also deliver your vendor payments with just a single click. And Yooz will be a full mirror of your finance environment. Yooz is very simple when it comes to pricing. It is unlimited users, unlimited entities, inboxes. Our support is dedicated, and that's all a part of the subscription. There's no buy-up plans there. And you can also have unlimited locations and run expenses through Yooz with no additional fee. So why work with Yooz? First, at Yooz, we're focused on your success. When you invest in Yooz, you do invest in your success. You can avoid AP mistakes by eliminating manual tasks and paper-laden processes. Dynamic workflows are created for your needs and not the other way around. You can avoid late payments and earn cash back from each invoice payment. You can reduce employee turnover and do more with your current staff. You can also keep your financial data secure and prevent fraud. We can implement and get you up and running with AP automation very quickly and with our dedicated live implementation and customer support teams. In the growing fast AP automation market, there is an opportunity for partners and resellers to differentiate your value. And only with Yooz will you have the authority of an AP automation solution that is recognized by 9 out of the 10 top CPA firms in the world with an extensive and complete training and support step at each step of the sales and implementation process. So this concludes our quick webinar. If you'd like to know more about Yooz, and we would love to speak with you, learn more about your current process, and provide a tailored demonstration for you. So here is our contact information. Go to getyooz.com, request a demo. You can email directly at contact@us.getyooz.com or call the following number. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Liz. That was great.